Hello handbag lovers, I am here with a Coach unboxing. I have several items that I've picked up recently from Coach, including some small leather goods in their canvas with vintage rose print, which is a new item on the Coach outlet site. So if this sounds like something you would be interested in watching, which I think you will, please keep on watching. Okay, I won't make this too long, hopefully, but let's get started with this first bag here. I believe this is, and excuse me, I kind of tore up the bag trying to take my address off. So let me open this up. I believe these are the vintage rose items. So let me take these out of the bag. As I indicated, this was a recent drop on the Coach outlet site. They have a new pattern, and I think on their site they're referring to this release as Back to Bright, and one of the prints is the vintage rose, and I saw it and they are absolutely correct. It's very beautiful, very bright, very colorful, so it's gonna look great in bags with multiple color options for accessories. So here is the first piece to give you a look at this beautiful print. This is the circular coin pouch in signature canvas with the vintage rose print. So as you can see, she has the beautiful pink flowers, yellows, lots of bright colors. She is a bag charm as well, and when you open her up, it looks like she is exactly that, a coin case on the inside. Looks like she has fabric lining on the inside, and her style number is C5699. You can see on the front it always also has the Coach plate imprinted. So that's the first item, and it is the circular coin pouch in signature canvas in the vintage rose print, item number C5699. So let me get to the next one here. All right, so this next one is also in the same print. So I'm looking forward to wearing these all together, most likely in my work bag, or maybe any other bag actually. Just depends on where I'm going. So this one is the cute. So this is the notebook in signature canvas with the vintage rose print, and this one is item number C5709. So you can see this has the rose prints throughout on the front and the back, so very pretty, very colorful. And you may have seen these before, just the standard Coach agenda that fits the standard size Coach paper. So that's the notebook. So let me get to this next item. And this is kind of interesting because I don't plan to use it as intended. So I'll just have to check it out and see how it works. So talk about Back to Bright. Look at that bright zipper here. This is the makeup brush holder in signature canvas with the vintage rose print. So again, unlike the circular coin case, this has the beautiful flowers, colorful flowers throughout. And it also has the Coach emblem on the front. And again, the bright pink zipper pull. And let's open her up. Let me take some of the stuffing out, or all of the stuffing out here. So this is a makeup brush case, but I was thinking it could probably double as a pencil case. So a pencil case to match my notebook, I thought would be a great option here. And the item number for this makeup brush case is C5890, if I didn't already share that. So this is the Vintage Rose set, new on the Coach website. And one more item I purchased. It's not in the Vintage Rose, but the color attracted me, and also because of my love for bag charms, I picked this up as well. I thought the green color in this item actually looked good with the Vintage Rose print. And check this out. This is the apple. Look how pretty that is. As you can see, I hope the camera's picking up the beautiful glitter. It has the C on the front in gold. It has the dog leash clip. So another cute bag charm to add to my collection. I thought this was cute also because it has the leaf on the apple sticking out. So very cute. The apple bag charm is style number 4045. So that is my haul, if you will, of the new Vintage Rose print from Coach. Just so I don't make this video too long, I will do a different video to do the unboxing of this item, and I also have another Coach item that I picked up. So I will end it here, and then I will do a second video with the unboxing. So thank you all for joining me. Thanks for watching. If you haven't had an opportunity to get out on the Coach outlet site, you might want to do that before these items disappear. Thank you to my subscribers, my new subscribers, as well as my existing subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you like these types of videos, your subscription would be very much appreciated. Thank you all for watching, and have a fantastic night. We will talk soon.